In today's rapidly evolving world, the intersection of disability, artificial intelligence, future, mobility, information, internet, health, movement, and energy is shaping the way we live, work, and interact with technology. Understanding the impact of these topics on society and technology is crucial for navigating the complexities of our modern world. Disability: addressing accessibility and inclusivity in technology for individuals with disabilities is essential for creating a more equitable society. Artificial intelligence: the advancements in AI are revolutionizing industries and changing the way we interact with machines and devices. Future: exploring the possibilities of what the future holds in terms of technological advancements and societal changes is key to staying ahead of the curve. Mobility: from self-driving cars to smart transportation systems, mobility is undergoing a transformation that will redefine how we move from place to place. Information: the abundance of information available online has revolutionized how we access and share knowledge. Internet: the internet has connected the world like never before, enabling global communication and collaboration. Health: technology is revolutionizing healthcare, from telemedicine to wearable devices that monitor our well-being. Movement: innovations in movement technology are enhancing our physical capabilities and changing the way we interact with our environment. Energy: sustainable energy solutions are crucial for combating climate change and ensuring a greener future for generations to come. These topics are not just abstract concepts but have a direct impact on our everyday lives, from the way we communicate to how we access healthcare and move around our cities. Stay tuned to explore the significance of these subjects and how they are shaping the world around us. Understanding disability. Disabilities come in various forms, each presenting unique challenges that impact individuals' daily lives. Physical disabilities can affect mobility and independence, while sensory impairments like blindness or deafness can hinder communication and access to information. Cognitive disabilities may impact learning and decision-making abilities. Technology plays a crucial role in improving accessibility for individuals with disabilities. Assistive technologies such as screen readers, mobility aids, and communication devices empower people to navigate the world more independently and participate fully in society. These tools enhance the quality of life for individuals with disabilities by breaking down barriers and enabling equal access to opportunities. Inclusivity and equal opportunities are fundamental principles that society must uphold to ensure that individuals with disabilities are not marginalized or excluded. By embracing diversity and leveraging technology to create inclusive environments, we can foster a more equitable and accessible world for all. Artificial intelligence advancements. Artificial intelligence, AI, refers to the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, enabling them to learn, reason, and make decisions. AI is a driving force behind technological innovation, with the potential to revolutionize various industries and reshape the future of technology. In healthcare, AI is being used to analyze medical data, diagnose diseases, and personalize treatment plans, leading to more accurate diagnoses and improved patient outcomes. In finance, AI algorithms are utilized for fraud detection, risk assessment, and investment strategies, enhancing efficiency and decision-making processes. However, the integration of AI also raises ethical considerations and challenges. Issues such as data privacy, bias in algorithms, and job displacement due to automation need to be carefully addressed to ensure responsible AI deployment. By navigating these challenges thoughtfully, we can harness the full potential of AI while upholding ethical standards and promoting societal well-being. Future technology trends. As we look ahead to the future, several emerging technologies are poised to revolutionize the way we live and work, shaping a new era of innovation and progress. Quantum computing, with its ability to process vast amounts of data at unprecedented speeds, holds the potential to transform industries such as cybersecurity, drug discovery, and financial modeling. Nanotechnology, which involves manipulating materials at the atomic and molecular scale, promises breakthroughs in fields like medicine, electronics, and energy storage. Biotechnology advancements, including gene editing and personalized medicine, are revolutionizing healthcare and agriculture, offering tailored solutions to complex challenges. These technological trends will have far-reaching impacts on society, the economy, and the environment, driving efficiency, sustainability, and new opportunities for growth. By embracing these advancements and envisioning a future powered by cutting-edge technology, we can unlock the full potential of innovation and create a brighter tomorrow for all. Enhancing mobility solutions. The latest advancements in mobility technology are revolutionizing transportation and accessibility, paving the way for a more sustainable and inclusive future. Innovations such as electric vehicles, autonomous driving, and smart city infrastructure are reshaping the way we move from place to place, offering efficient and environmentally friendly solutions. Electric vehicles are reducing carbon emissions and dependence on fossil fuels, contributing to cleaner air and a healthier environment. Autonomous driving technology is enhancing road safety and efficiency, while smart city infrastructure is optimizing traffic flow and reducing congestion in urban areas. By embracing sustainable transportation solutions, we can mitigate the impact of climate change, improve air quality, and promote sustainable urban development. Creating inclusive and efficient mobility systems is essential for ensuring equal access to transportation for all individuals, regardless of ability or socioeconomic status. Together, these advancements are driving a more connected, accessible, and sustainable future for transportation. Information revolution. The evolution of information technology has sparked a revolution in communication, education, and data management, reshaping the way we interact with information in the digital age. From the early days of mainframe computers to the advent of smartphones and cloud computing, the history of information technology is marked by rapid growth and innovation. Big data analytics, cloud computing, and cybersecurity are at the forefront of this revolution, enabling organizations to harness the power of data, streamline operations, and protect sensitive information. Big data analytics allows for the extraction of valuable insights from vast amounts of data, while cloud computing offers scalable and cost-effective storage solutions. Cybersecurity measures are essential for safeguarding data integrity and protecting against cyber threats. In the information age, digital literacy and data privacy are paramount. Understanding how to navigate the digital landscape and safeguard personal information is crucial for individuals and organizations alike. By embracing these advancements and prioritizing digital literacy and data privacy, we can leverage the full potential of information technology while safeguarding our digital identities and information. Internet connectivity. The Internet has become a cornerstone of modern society, connecting people globally and revolutionizing the way we access information and services. From the early days of dial-up connections to high-speed broadband and the upcoming 5G technology, the evolution of Internet connectivity has transformed the way we communicate, work, and learn. Internet connectivity has had a profound impact on social interactions, enabling real-time communication and collaboration across borders. In the business world, the Internet has opened up new markets and opportunities for growth, while in education, it has democratized access to knowledge and resources. However, the digital divide remains a significant challenge, with disparities in Internet access and connectivity persisting across regions and demographics. Efforts to bridge this gap through initiatives like community networks, public Wi-Fi, and affordable broadband plans are essential for ensuring equal access to the benefits of the Internet for all individuals and communities. Health tech innovations. The latest healthcare technologies are at the forefront of revolutionizing medical diagnosis, treatment, and patient care, offering innovative solutions to improve healthcare access and outcomes. Advancements in telemedicine, wearable health devices, and personalized medicine are transforming the way healthcare is delivered and experienced. Telemedicine enables remote consultations and monitoring, expanding access to healthcare services for individuals in underserved areas or with limited mobility. Wearable health devices, such as fitness trackers and smartwatches, provide real-time health data and empower individuals to take control of their well-being. Personalized medicine tailors treatment plans to individual genetic profiles and health needs, optimizing outcomes and reducing adverse effects. While health tech innovations offer numerous benefits, concerns about data security, patient privacy, and ethical use of health technologies must be addressed. Safeguarding sensitive health information, ensuring patient consent, and upholding ethical standards are essential for building trust and ensuring the responsible deployment of health technologies in healthcare settings. Movement and fitness tech. Technology is revolutionizing the fitness industry, offering innovative solutions to promote active lifestyles and enhance physical well-being. From wearable fitness trackers to virtual workout platforms and smart gym equipment, advancements in movement and fitness tech are empowering individuals to take control of their health and fitness goals like never before. Wearable fitness trackers provide real-time data on activity levels, heart rate, and sleep patterns, helping users monitor their progress and stay motivated. Virtual workout platforms offer a convenient way to access guided workouts and fitness classes from the comfort of home. Smart gym equipment utilizes AI to personalize workout routines, track performance metrics, and provide real-time feedback to optimize training sessions. By embracing technology as a tool for achieving health and wellness goals, individuals can enhance their fitness journey, stay motivated, and make lasting lifestyle changes. Whether tracking steps, monitoring heart rate, or following personalized workout plans, technology offers endless possibilities for promoting movement, fitness, and overall well-being. Sustainable energy solutions. Renewable energy technologies and sustainable practices are playing a pivotal role in shaping the future of energy production and consumption, paving the way for a greener and more sustainable planet. Solar power, wind energy, and energy storage solutions are at the forefront of the transition towards clean and renewable sources of energy. Solar power harnesses the sun's energy to generate electricity, while wind energy utilizes wind turbines to produce clean power. Energy storage solutions, such as batteries and grid-scale storage systems, enable the efficient storage and distribution of renewable energy, ensuring a reliable and sustainable energy supply. Transitioning to clean energy sources offers numerous benefits for environmental conservation, including reducing greenhouse gas emissions, mitigating climate change, and preserving natural resources. By adopting energy-efficient practices in our daily lives, such as reducing energy consumption, using energy-efficient appliances, and supporting renewable energy initiatives, individuals can contribute to a more sustainable future for generations to come. Conclusion. In this video, we have explored the transformative power of technology across various fields, from healthcare and mobility to energy and information. Understanding and embracing technological advancements is crucial for navigating the complexities of our modern world and shaping a more sustainable and inclusive future. As we look towards the horizon of innovation, it is essential for viewers to stay informed about the latest trends and developments in technology. By keeping abreast of emerging technologies and their potential impact on society, we can better prepare ourselves for the opportunities and challenges that lie ahead. We invite you to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content on technology and innovation. Together, let's continue to explore the endless possibilities of technology and work towards a brighter and more connected future. Thank you for watching.